Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Roop Sandhu. So today I've done this Indian bridal makeup look. I have done a full cut crease with a red lipstick on my lips. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also follow me on Instagram. And now let's start. So first of all, I'm going to apply this lip balm on my lips to soften up my lips. This is by Maybelline. It's called Baby Lip. I'm going to mention the name in the description. And after that, I'm going to take a primer. This is NYKAA's Angel Wheel Primer. If you guys want to invest in a good primer, you can definitely go for this one. It is a bit pricey, but the primer is really good. This is NYKAA's Angel Wheel Primer. I'm going to apply it on my cheek area and also on my nose, and after that I'm going to be blending it on my face very gently with my hands. And after that I'm going to take this foundation again by NYX, and it's called Total Drop Foundation. I'll mention my shade in the description. Please check it out if you guys are interested. I'm going to mention my other foundation shade as well in the description. So I'm going to be applying this foundation with this drop on my face. So I'm just going to be applying it on my face first, and after that I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend this foundation all over my face. I have also applied some foundation on my neck as well. And after that I'm going to be taking this concealer. This is by Maybelline, and it is a full coverage concealer. This is called Age Rewind Concealer. I'm applying it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base, inner corners of my eyes, under my eyes, little bit on my nose, center of my forehead, my chin as well, just to brighten up that area. This is a full coverage concealer. And after that I'm going to be taking the same beauty blender. It's a damp same beauty blender, and I'm going to blend that concealer again on my face just like that. And after that I will be setting my concealer in place, and for that I will be taking this setting powder. This one is by Maybelline. It's Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm going to apply it wherever I have applied the concealer. And this is going to set the concealer, and it's going to make my face mattified, and also the makeup will be long lasting. It will control the oil from your face for a longer period of time. So I'm just applying it wherever I have applied the concealer. Also, if you apply this powder under your eyes, it is going to prevent any kind of fallout that might occur while applying the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette. This is by Huda Beauty. I'm going to be taking that nude eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying it on the brow bone. And then I will be taking this black eyeshadow, and that I'll be taking on a pencil brush. And I'm just going to create a crease line, a very sharp crease line with this pencil brush. By the way, this eyeshadow palette is rose gold. Um, and then I'm going to clean off that brush, and I'm going to be taking that brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply that on the top of that black eyeshadow, and I will take it a little above the black eyeshadow, but I will not be spreading it a lot. So just like that I'm gonna apply it. And then I will be taking this beautiful brown eyeshadow and I will be taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend out the black and the dark brown eyeshadow which I applied before. So this procedure is going to take a lot of time, so you have to be very patient. And then to cut my crease I will be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Shade is 20, and I'm going to be taking a very little amount on an angled brush, and I'm just going to clean off. I'm just going to be cutting off my crease just like that, and I'm just going to clean it off like that. If you guys wish, you can also use an earbud with the makeup remover, and then again you can go ahead with applying the concealer. So after cleaning off my crease line, I'm going to be taking this golden eyeshadow on a flat brush, and I'm just going to place it like that on my eyelid. So just like that I'm going to be applying it with a flat brush, and after that I will be taking that light brown eyeshadow and I will be applying it on my lower lash line, and then I will be taking the dark brown eyeshadow on the pencil brush, and I'm just going to apply it very much close to my lash line. And then I will be taking this eyeliner. This is a sketch eyeliner by NYKAA. It is a beautiful eyeliner. I've been having this from a long time, and it has still not dried. It is a very beautiful eyeliner. So I'm just going to be creating a winged eyeliner with this, and then I'm going to start from the inner corner, and then I'm just going to connect it. To do my eyebrows, I will be taking the ABH Brow Pomade, and I will be taking an angled brush. This one is by Essence. You can easily find it online. So I'm just going to be dipping my brush in that that pomade, and I'm just going to first underline my brows, and then I'm just going to outline them from the top, and I'm just going to blur the starting point of my brows. And I'm going to be coating my lashes with the this mascara. It is by NYX. This is called Worth the Hype mascara. It is beautiful for having wispier lashes. It's a beautiful mascara. You can definitely go ahead and invest in this as well. So I'm just going to be coating my upper and lower lashes with this mascara, and after that, without any additional product, I'm going to be brushing it off through my brows. And then I will be wearing these beautiful lashes by PAC. These are called M79, and I'm going to be applying that with this Ardel glue, which is a clear glue. And then I'm going to be taking a powder brush, and I'm just going to dust off all the setting powder from my face, and I'm just going to blend it on my face nicely. And after that, I will be taking this powder contour. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour. So we have to not drag our contour very low. We have to just keep it, going through your ear to your lips. So yeah, that's how I'm going to be applying my contour on the hollows of my cheeks without dragging it too low. And after that, I'm also going to contour my forehead. If you have a small forehead, you do not need to do that. If you have a larger forehead just like me, you can definitely go ahead and do this. And after that, I'm going to be also contouring my nose with a flat brush. First of all, I'm just going to create a nice sharp line, and after that I'm going to be diffusing that line, just like that. And for blush, I will be taking this Flower Beauty blush. It's a beautiful blush. It is not very pigmented, but you can add it according to your preference, whatever your preference is. For blush, I will be taking this OFRA highlight. For highlighter, I will be taking that OFRA highlighter. It is called Rodeo Drive, beautiful highlighter. So I'm just going to be applying it on the higher points of my face. And after that, I will be taking this lip liner. This one is by Maybelline. I do not remember the shade. Yeah, but that's the red lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips with this lip liner first of all, and after that I'm going to be applying this liquid lipstick. It is a perfect red liquid lipstick in matte. If you want a matte perfect lipstick that is very affordable, you can definitely go ahead for this one. This is by Wet n Wild. It's called Catsuit Missy and Fierce. Yes, that's the shade, Missy and Fierce. And that was the final step. I will be wearing this beautiful jewelry, this matha patti, and this beautiful dupatta. And this look is absolutely complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think about this look and what do you think about this funny pout. If you guys have any request, you can let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.